Buying from Motorhome Depot gives you the freedom to get the widest choice of motorhomes from a secure, trusted marketplace. You usually have two options when buying a motorhome. Buy from a motorhome dealer at premium prices with often limited choice. Or trying to buy privately, scouring the internet for the right make and model, wasting time viewing inaccurately described or poorly maintained motorhomes and facing financial disaster due to ownership and security risks. At Motorhome Depot, you'll find a huge choice of motorhomes at sensible prices, which you can buy safely and securely. We provide accurate, detailed descriptions with lots of photos, and our experts will give you impartial answers to your questions about the motorhome before you go to view it, so that you don't make a wasted journey. Making it easy to find the right motorhome with minimum time and effort. And of course, we manage the financial transaction, giving you peace of mind knowing that you are buying safely. Freedom to find your perfect motorhome easily and securely.